This is a kid's electronic motorcycle and balance bike. This motorcycle features stable wheels, providing a balanced ride and offers two riding modes: the pedal control and parent remote control when parents can steer the motorcycle from a distance. It comes with built-in bubble functionality, LED lights, and a fan songs. Say goodbye to disposable batteries. This electronic motorcycle is rechargeable. This is a kid's electronic motorcycle and balance bike, the perfect balance between learning to balance and the thrill of riding.